Hello, this is final CA from Sherry. For this CA, we should work for the three big data. So I chose the MongoDB to run for the whole of the work, but I also think the PostgreSQL also suit for this CA because it's very convenient to the family to show, because it's a table. It will be shows easy and insert it very easy for themselves. But this is because this semester is very busy, so I trans the MongoDB to run for my CA. And now I will start to talk about how to load the CA, because I have already to create the database in my this system, so I can explain how to use the function for the load the file in our Mongo system. So this is for we create the database name, and this is we want to load the table name, and that is which the type we want, like txt file or the csv file from the here. And we also will input did you have the headline, and in the end of is of the address from laptop. And when I try to get a research for the database, I found the time have some problem, because the time just the normal time in the Excel. So when we want to research the time, it will be very hard. So I use the for each function. This like the Java for loop function. It will be give the bookmark to get fix the time, the font, and save the time font. Change it to the iOS time date. And now then we can get the create the index of. Then I use the date, because I think the normal customer use this system will be checked for by the time. So and because I have already create, so now I will run for show for the how the find the temperature, the work, the by the date. So this is all because the create index in the Mongo is very help to it's very quickly and easy to help the people to find the some they want. It's a keyword like that to want to research. Then because the C is both run for the analyze and the big data system, and the analyze just want to analyze about of the dates from the 2008. So I had to find online to how to catch the time, the range of the time, and catch it out of the when catch the 2008 time, and save to the new date. Like here, the I will match the time. It shows the range of the time, like it's between the 2008 and in the end of 2008. And get this out is I save the new database. Like here I will show. And now I had create I have successful to create the, like here, the of that I create the new just 2008 the time. And otherwise, because the temperature and the power jet should also analyze average, so I also want to get them to work. So, and when we move on the next two, because it's very big and heavy database, so we can share and to in the copy the database for different for port. So but I have no idea why because I use a Mac, but in the Windows system, so I have no idea why I try to get change. This means just can read, but you cannot get create for this file. So I had try to get fix to cancel just read. Everybody can use, but it cannot work. It's still like here. It still can read. So now I can just explain how to use the create the mode 3 the port. Like here you should to use the mango function to in your bin file, and but you at first you will create the photo and the number basic for you with how many you want to create. Then and you want to get the increase the local host. It will be get work, but when you get work you must to get find the work. Maybe the sometimes it will be haven't run, but when you will try can I think it can be wrong, and you can find the localhost name and try catch one. And when you successful to get collection, it will be now you can run for of the three of the posts all can share the number, but other the here they just can to show the database, but they cannot get touch and get change the database. And for this file, the CE is almost like the report, I think. So because my language is not good, so I just type the word and answer the question in the document. So that's all of the Sherry's final CA. Thank you so much.